my home farm, city farm. I've just been picking raspberries, so I thought I'll make a video. It's my pond. My jasmine and herbs around it. There's some rosemary, peppermint. That's one of my aquaponic grow beds. My grapes. Ducks, raspberries, apples. And I'm going round the fireplace in my eating place. And up the stairs there is my grow house, my shed, and my greenhouse with my avocados. And here I've got some more grow beds, kiwi on this side. Right, let me take you to the garden. Raspberries, raspberry bush here. I've just picked raspberries. Russet apple tree. And the ducks made a nice big mess. Let's see. There's the nasturtiums. The grapes are doing well. And over there as well. And some more raspberries. Pear tree. I don't know if I could see the pears. Raspberries underneath. Plum tree. Right. There's my grow room. Trampoline. And the duck pond. There's the ducks. Underneath the gooseberries, white currants, red currants, black currants. And the apple tree. And back over there's a filter. And the pond. Red currants, white currants, gooseberries, blueberries, 2 figs. And there's my grow room. That's the entrance with my fan. On the left here is my beds. I've managed to grow some sweet potato, lemongrass, peppers. Tomatoes are doing really well. Some gem squash. And then there's some more watercress. There's my sub tank. Here's my tank for my tilapia. Can't quite see them, they're still small. And there I've got some lemon balm and melons growing. Some more herbs. This is my back door, the grow lamp, fan. And then this is my strawberries. Going into the tank there, feeding them with some tilapia in. So the water runs down and down and down and down and back into the tank. I've got some very small tilapia in here. Don't know if you'll be able to see them move. Tiny. And And then going round. It's my big pond with my vegetables, salads, some flowers. And there's the watercress bed, spinach, and some more gem squash. I've sowed some seeds in here, the chives are coming up beautifully. And some salads from seed, spinach, and the water comes from my pond. Oh, I don't know if you can see this. Up into my grow beds and back out again. There we go.